Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Malik from BuildWithMalik.com, and I hope you guys are enjoying your day today. I'm just out at the mall right now, hanging out with some family and some good friends, and just about to enjoy the rest of this night. So I hope you guys are enjoying it to the fullest, enjoying this week, and just taking time to be able to, have gratitude for all of the blessings that we have in our lives. And today, like when I woke up in the morning time, before I could even have enough time to wipe the sleep out of my eyes, I literally had already been paid 2 times today. And I just got paid again just another couple times. And I'm not saying this to brag or boast or anything like that. I just want to tell people what's possible, when you really tap into the power of being able to create your own income online. Is really something that's miraculous to be able to get paid while you're just having fun with your family and doing all of the things that you love, right? And I've been just practicing, a lot of self-development. I've been going through a lot of mindset training and things like that, and also just doing a lot of other things to be sharp as a razor blade for 2020, all right? So if you guys are watching this live, drop a 1 in the comment box. If you're watching the replay, drop a 2 in the comment box, and let me know where you guys are watching from, all right? And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Malik Amir. I'm a lead generation coach. So what I do is I teach people how to generate highly targeted leads and convert those leads into sales so that you can spend more time with your families, all right? And that's exactly what I'm doing. If you can see, I got my son over there, Jawad, and there goes Kareem, and I think Qasim is somewhere over there. Is that him? Yeah, he's over there. And we also got Mansa Jamil, and he's here as well, right? So we're just hanging out, enjoying our lives and just having fun with our families. And in this video today, I just wanted to talk a little bit about quantum physics and how you need to increase your vibrations, okay? What people don't really realize is that the wealthy and the successful people, they're traveling on a totally different frequency, okay? And I've had the pleasure of being able to tap into this frequency and to develop myself further. And now I kind of understand the secrets to success and how you can really tap into another realm that's going to make it really possible for you to be able to pull out everything that you desire out of that realm and manifest it into this physical world, right? So this is what I've been practicing, and I know that people know about the law of attraction. I know that you guys probably know about affirmations, manifestation, and just being able to have the success and bring all of the abundance into your life. And this is what I've been on for the last, I'd say like about a week now, right? So I've been testing out this new technology. It's called quantum physics, and what it is basically a form of energy where you can basically transfer some information from your actual cell phone device to yourself, right? So I tried it out with an energy boost, and I also tried focus and the vision. And right now I tested out something, this is called a prosperity boost, right? So this thing is like phenomenal. We even have people who have tried other things like the weight boost. It can actually help you to lose weight without taking any supplements or without taking any type of medication or anything like that, right? So this is a revolutionary, cutting-edge technology that is very, very powerful, and most people, they haven't even wrapped their heads around this type of technology at this point, right? And Mansa Jamil, I think he was a person who's actually put me onto it, and there's an asthma boost or something like that as well for people who have allergies and things like that. You can actually take this boost and it will help you to relieve whatever you're feeling as far as your allergies. There's one for like inflammation, and the energy one is something that's super phenomenal. Like I was up last night until like 2 o'clock in the morning just really getting things done, and I've been getting a lot of things accomplished for 2020, just preparing to have a big year, going through a lot of mindset, just developing myself further, and just preparing to have prosperity and to help a lot of other people have prosperity in their lives as well, right? So I was thinking about how I could actually help people to learn more about this technology, because it's something that's very, very beneficial to a lot of people, and it's beneficial to the world in general, right? So I'm thinking that I might do a raffle where I'm gonna let a person who is selected be able to try out this technology for free, okay? So this will be like a 30-day trial where you'll be able to test out this technology and see for yourself how it could actually benefit you and how it actually works, because the quantum physics is very hard to explain, but all I can tell you is that this stuff actually works, right? So I'm gonna be doing a raffle really soon. If you would like to be included in this raffle, drop something in the comment box and let me know, and I can definitely get you included into this raffle where I'm gonna be giving away like a 30-day trial, and you can test it out for yourself to see how it works, right? So I hope you guys are enjoying your night, and I'm just getting ready to, you know, explode the compensation plan on some of these new things that I've been working with, and definitely going to be working with some leaders and helping people to get to wherever they want to go inside of this next decade, right? Because I mean, ultimately, we all want to live the best life. We all want to be able to take better care of our families, and this is what I'm all about, is helping people live their life to the fullest while spending time with their families and doing the things that you love, so that you don't have to trade your time for money and be punching a clock and be like working your life away just to be you know, living that life where you're like check to check and stuck in that vicious cycle, right? So this is what I'm going to be doing for some of the leaders that are going to be working with me in 2020, and I just look forward to having a big blessed year. And I'm actually going to be like taking things to a whole nother level with these opportunities that I'm going to be building. And everybody knows that I'm already doing, you know, helping people get results through my coaching and my mentorship, but I'm actually going to be building up a brand new company, and I'm going to be, you know, putting some people in my top 10 positions and also building a team underneath those top 10 positions, right? So if this is something that you're interested in, if you consider yourself to be a leader and you have those type of qualities, then let's work together. I can show you some things that I'm working on that are going to be helping people make some astronomical levels of income in this coming year. And it's going to be some major blessings going around for a lot of people and their families. I'm working with some multi-millionaires that have built some massive teams, and I have somebody that I'm working with in my downline right now who's actually built a team of over 250,000 people, right? So we're gonna explode this thing. We're gonna blow out the compensation plan, and we're gonna max it out, and we're gonna be making some crazy income for 2020, and I'm just really looking forward to it, all right? So drop me a message or send me a comment if this is something that you're interested in. If you want to get yourself involved into this raffle where you're going to be able to try out this revolutionary technology for a 30-day trial, also drop something in the comment box and I'll give you the information. And I hope you guys are really enjoying your day, and I look forward to doing some more Facebook Lives again soon, all right? Peace and blessings from Malik.